So as visible here, this is the Arduino motor shield. The firstly, this is the source code. The source code is very short, like 13 lines. Initially the power of the motor has been set, and the 12th pin has been digitally set as output and given high, so that the motor this motor rotates clockwise. And also pin mode 8, with the pin mode function, the pin 8th pin has been selected at output. This is the brake, and the brake is low because we don't want the brake to be active. Now the 6th pin is the output, like this determines the speed. In the loop function we write the value of the PWM in the 6th pin. So this determines the speed through which it rotates. So let me start the simulation. It takes some time. Yes, it is simulating. As you can see, this is increasing, this value is increasing, and the RPM is actually increasing. So it will take some time to actually settle down to a value. It takes almost 2 minutes to settle down, so I'm pausing here for a bit. So the value has finally settled down after, as you can see, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. The value of the RPM is 9.28. This is given because of the value of PWM. As PWM changes, this value also changes. This here is the Node-RED flowchart type thing. So there is one slider which controls the gauge chart, and another slider, and there is a second slider which controls another chart. So this one has two charts associated with it. One is named slider, and this has another chart associated with it, which is also named slider 2. So I'm gonna change the names of these gauge chart things so these sound a bit familiar. So as can be seen here, I have changed the names of these. All of these things have the names changed. This is the air pressure, and all of these three measure the pressure in bar. This one I have changed this because there are so many charts, so I changed this to a text output. So this measures the pressure in bar. This is the pressure gauge. This charts it, and the variation with time can be seen through this. And this is the humidity, and the humidity is also charted like this. So when I open the user interface UI, lots of things can be seen. Like there is the pressure chart. The pressure, as I change it, it falls goes from 0.9 very low pressure to 1.1 high pressure. So and the graph of the pressure can also be seen changing. This is what happens. This is the grain size, or the minimum value of change is given as 0.01 bar. This can be easily changed. I mean, from here I can change it, like if I change it to 0.002, done. So this becomes a lot of smooth. I have to deploy it though. uh, so now it will be more smooth. Yes, this is smoother, and as you can see, the third decimal is visible, and the humidity I haven't changed it. So this can also be changed from 0 to 100%. This is 100% and this is 0%. It can be changed. The sliders, when they are changed, they change everything.